We are at Ghatkopar East checking out Vindhyachal 3 BHK on sale in Neelkanth by Neelkanth Developers, building trust since 1938. This is a posh upscale locality in Ghatkopar East near Somaya College, a very good gated community, status and style in living. Let's go inside in this lush green compound and society with all the amenities and checking out a 3 BHK on sale, garden facing. So we came all the way from inside, from the Neelkanth Valley, Vindhyachal Tower. We're going to have a look at the garden here. This is the apartment that we're seeing here. It's directly facing the garden, lush green, lot of greenery, people walking around still, your community members, your residents, everyone feels safe. You got squirrels, you got different kind of parakeets and birds that I've seen just now. And it had a lot of water. It's drained out. They're going to fill up the water again. A lot of seating area as well, with the garden alongside as well out there in the kids play area. So beautiful 3 BHK adds value to the apartment. Let's go and have a look. So we're inside Neelkanth Valley, Vindhyachal, a conglomerate of 10 different buildings and towers with a lot of greenery around. It's got all the amenities like gymnasium, swimming pool, you got jogging park, you got a couple of gardens as well. This is Vindhyachal. The most important feature about this building is it's got a lot of open space, more open space in terms of parking space as compared to other buildings around. And the apartment that we're seeing is the garden facing one, but excellent and exclusive and a great society, and I'm really fond of this one. Let's go in and have a look inside in this 13-story marvelous edifice. We're having a look at a nice and a spacious 3 BHK with 3 bathrooms en suite in Vindhyachal Tower. This is Neelkanth Valley, Ghatkopar, near Somaya College. That's the entrance. That's your shoe rack and a bit of storage here as well. So the area started, the flat area, the apartment started from here. They've extended a little bit and got this inside as well. And what you have is, let's shut the door and have a look. What they have is storage here as well. So we're not going to open that. It's got a big storage all the way right till there. And this is a basic apartment where you have to do all your interior and get your architect and stuff. So, but this is your sink right here in the middle. But what you can do is you can change anything and everything about it if you want to. You got a kitchen on the left hand side, 860 square feet carpet area. One of the bedrooms here. So as I said, it's a basic one with the wardrobes, and the best thing about this is it's a garden facing apartment, ensuite bathrooms here. Have a look. And also this is Neelkanth Valley, very popular conglomerate of 10 buildings, 10 towers inside, with the society having everything that it needs to. That's your mandir space. And this is a vacant apartment. This is on sale. You got storage up there. We enter from there. It's a Vastu compliant home. A lot of air and breeze coming in through. That's a kitchen, very good square shaped. And you got what here is your washing machine and a little bit of storage and ample of storage above, as you can see, with a lot of sunlight as well. The apartment draws in so much great energy and amazing vibes. Also, ceiling height is not bad. If you go to see, they've done a lot of false ceiling as well. That's your living space. Good big square shaped living space with the dining on the left, couple of bedrooms on either side. If you make it a French window, you're just sitting in the garden instead of looking at the garden, and that's your big garden, which encourages all the members of Neelkanth Valley to enjoy, relax and enjoy the nature within the premises and within the society. So that's one of your bedrooms. That's a proper look of a living space. Another bedroom there, 860. But if you want to do this, a little bit of extension can be done. A lot of people have done this, so it becomes 1100 square feet usable carpet area instead of 860. And that's one of the bedrooms. Every bedroom will have a small study and big wardrobes, having bathroom inside. And that's your bathroom there. Yeah. So what you hear is birds chirping and exotic birds coming in and going out, emigrating. towards this part, and you will see a lot of them colorful ones. Yeah, that's the one. We can't get enough of it. It's got a play area as well. Fully furnished. You get as it is where it is. That's a Neelkanth Valley, Ghatkopar near Somaya College. Final bedroom with a study with a couple of beds. So you got to change everything the way you want to do it. You can overhaul it, make it a nice, get your interior, get your expert architect and get this done. If it was me, if I'm spending this much, I would increase my budget a bit and do up the house very well so that I would be staying in another 20-25 years. So that's what the concept is. This is a 3 BHK, 860 square feet usable carpet area. Vindhyachal building, Vindhyachal Tower, one of the towers in Neelkanth Valley, Ghatkopar. Advertise, rent, sell your properties on YouTube and Instagram with Rafiq Merchant. This comes with 2 car park spaces. If you want to have a look at this, holla at me. Cheers.